Hi guys, I decided I'd do another video and I can't resist it. We may as well knock the we may as well knock the other one on the head, guys. Let's have a look. Let's go to bench 3. What will I want? Bench 1, sorry. Camera 3. And we'll have a look at the little mid band. We'll have a look at the we'll have a look at the mid band that came in, that I've got in. We'll have a look at that and we'll see, because there's no sound coming out of that, but there is when you plug the external speaker in. So we've got this one done. This one's done. This little Harvard's done and it's working. And we're happy with it. So we'll just put this one away for now. And what we'll do, we'll put this down here for now. Out of the way, and we'll bring the little mid band up. The little Uniden. We'll bring him on. Might as well. Now we went through the parameters this afternoon, guys. So we know that the radio does transmit. We know it receives, and we also know it has no sound on receive, but it does through the external speaker. So we know it's a problem with the speaker or the external speaker. We know it's a problem, sorry, with the speaker. Just get our cup to put our bits in. So we know it's going to be a problem with the speaker or the connections on the board to the speaker. I hope it's not a problem where we have to take the board out, because you can't work on these underneath. You can't get to these from underneath. There's no underneath to get to as far as I can see. No, there's no inspection panel underneath for you to get to, for you to take it apart, so we would be taking the board out. So I'm hoping it's going to be I'm hoping it's going to be a bad speaker in some respects. They're only a small little radio, these are not big. They're from the 90s. And we can see what PLL it uses. And, you know, it's pretty clean as well. Yeah, they're made for the European market. These they are EU sets, but we are allowed to use them here in the UK. We're allowed to use the European channels, so you know it's not really a problem really with them, apart from the fact that they're mid-band only. That's the only problem. It's the only issue, that the band that they're on. Right, what have we got in here? Right, we've got a soldering fuse. We've got a power supply, a nice meaty power supply. That's our power supply there, guys, which is non-adjustable. Like the other one, we could adjust the other one. You can't adjust this. Speaker. Let's unplug the speaker and we can test the speaker. See if the speaker's too bad. Is the speaker fucked? We don't know. Because we don't know yet, we haven't tested it. We can find out. Okay now guys, we've got... Oh. The only problem with having other things built into your meter, everything gets in the way. Right, so we'll turn the meter on. There we go. We're on ohms mode. Now we get it through the external, so if we get it through the external, we should get it through the main. So we've got a broken wire or a bad speaker. Thank God for that, guys. I think we've got an open circuit speaker. I'm gonna try and shove these leads in here and give the speaker a wiggle, give the leads on the speaker a wiggle. Because we've got the problem, we've got the thing that the speaker is open. Can't get that on there. Right. Try and get that there. No, let's get the front off. So we're looking at the speaker replacement. So we need to pull. Right, does all this come off? I've got a feeling we might be able to get away. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's not a square speaker, it's an oval one. Fuck me, it would be, wouldn't it? And that mic socket there. That's going to be a problem getting past that. Right, so let's try. See if we can check it here. I'm hoping it might be a bad wire, because I don't fancy pulling all that front out. I'm going to have to. But we're on that one. Let's try and see down there. good there. I can't understand why the speaker would go open. Well, I can. But we're on there. Just trying to get onto the speaker, guys. Yeah. Yeah, we can't do nothing about that. It's a fucking oval speaker, guys. I ain't got one. I ain't got a speaker to fit that. Fancy it being an oval speaker? I ain't got a speaker to fit that. Let's get the front off and see what we can do anyway. Right, let's find a tool, because we're going to have to lift the screw, lift the knobs off. You ain't going to pull them, they're a bit tight. There we go. Alright. Getting the mic socket off is going to be the real bastard, but we'll do it. Alright. Pretty well made this. I mean, it's got a pretty nice knob and it all go back in the same position, which is good. There we go. Just lift them up and pull them off. Make sure the channel change doesn't have a screw. It doesn't. Right, so now I've got a feeling I've got to get the mic socket out. I don't think we have to, actually. No, I don't think we have to. I think it will come out this. So I think this is just like it's just like them video recorders we used to take to bits. Take the front off. I mean, I will have to order a speaker for this, because I haven't got a fucking speaker to fit this fucking thing. I have to find something for it. A small oval speaker, and it's got to be the right value as well. But it does work. Wonder what that board there's for. Don't know. Got an extra board there with shielding on it. Looks like an afterthought. Not got a clue. But at least we know. At least we know we don't have to take the screws here. At least we know we don't have to take the fucking chassis out, which is be a bastard on this radio, guys. We need to order up an oval speaker, unless we can find one on something, which I doubt. A small oval speaker that big. I don't think we'll fit a round one in. We might get a round one in, but I doubt it. Now I'll see if this will slide out. Well, I'll tell you guys. I'll tell you now, it's got to be the easiest front I've ever lifted off. I'll put that out the way. Let's get the clippers, because we need not these. Where's the freaking clippers? I need to get this off here. Can't do with that. Did I put me goddamn clippers? Put the front out there so it doesn't get down. There they are. So we'll just clip this cable tie off here. There we go. Now, take the speaker out. Try and get one ordered. Don't think we'll find one of these. We'll try. I mean, we'll have a look at this one because it might be able to repair it. But we know it's, in fact we might get a round one in there. If we get a round one in, we will. But I don't think we will. I mean, it doesn't have to be a big speaker. We can get a round one in, because alright, there's the speaker. So if we can move the rest of the radio out of the way. Move this out of the way. Just put that out of the way. There we go. Now there's the speaker, guys. Now, first what we'll do, we'll look at we'll tidy the joints up. Not wait for this soldering iron to warm back up. What we'll do, we'll tidy the joints up. It's a 16 ohm speaker. Fucking 16 ohms. The other thing is, guys, you see, we could have we could even have a bad fucking speaker connection like that there. Don't think that is a bad connection. There we go. Let's check this one as well. It's okay. Just make sure that they're actually on. Yeah. So let's test that. See if we get a reading. Because it's going to be an awkward one to find that. 16-inch oval that size. I'm just trying to pull on these, see if we can get some sort of a reading. No. That's well and truly fucking had it, innit? Yeah. Let's have a look. I don't think we've got anything that'll go anywhere near that. And I think the last of the, I think the most of the fucking CB spares have all gone in the shed. The CB spares have all gone in the shed, guys. I think there's a speaker up here, but I'm not sure. Sure there was a speaker up here, but I think it's all gone in the shed. CB spares. Oh, there's one here. There's one here, but that's only 8 ohms. And there's no way that's going to fit. No. No. We're not going to fit around one in there. So it's out with it. So it's out with the caliper. This is, I can find a bloody caliper. And that's if the battery isn't dead. So it doesn't say. So I want to set this to inch. The battery's dying. So we want it That's fucking wrong. So that's inches. Right, so it's inches. $11. That's not 11 inches. The battery's fucked. Okay, now these 3D printed or something. Fucking horrible. Right. That's a waste of fucking time. What's LC? 3.5 inches. So it's 3.5 to 2.3. Right. 3.5 to 2.3. Oval speaker. I know I've got enough for 16 ohms. This is going to be tricky to find this, but we'll go for it, guys. Come back up here. So there's going to be a part 2 to this, that's for sure. Nice. 3.5. It'll come up with all fucking round ones. Everything I don't fucking want, guys. Bear with me a minute, guys. Bear with me a minute. I think I know where I might have something. I've got an extension speaker which I don't use, and I'm sure it's got an oval in it. No, it's not oval, guys. It's round. I thought it might have been oval. No. That's round. That's no good. But that being said, we've got a use for that anyway, so we'll bring it in here, put it there for now. Alright, so let me, instead of searching eBay, let's search Google itself, because that usually then finds something and sends you to fucking eBay. Right, we'll go for 3-inch. Oval speaker. Everything there except speaker. There you go, speaker. 3-inch. Right, there's some here. There's one. What's that one? Eclipse. That looks. No, that's 5x3. 8 ohm. 5x3. That'll never fucking fit. Right. One there. Six watt 8 ohm is no good, it needs to be 16 ohms. It doesn't say what size it is. Puts it in millimetres. It puts it in millimetres. I don't want it in millimetres. I want it in fucking inches. I mean, a telly speaker would do it. That'd do it. A telly speaker would do it. 16 ohm 3 watt. They'd probably do it actually. I don't know order in case it doesn't, because they're a bit deep at the back. Eight ohms or what? Yeah, there for tellies. Would probably work. There's one there. What's that out of? Vintage electrical speaker. 3 pulse made in England. I think that'd be too big. Coil resistance is 6 to 7 ohms. 6.7 ohms. No good, it's not high enough. Seems to be going up in fucking price, these bastards. Get off it all fucking vacuum cleaner. Seems to be going up in price, these fuckers, guys. I think what I'm going to have to do, what's that one? I'm not paying 15 quid. Not for a cunning speaker. See, the problem we've got, we've got these ones here at £6 and the 16 ohm. The 16 ohm I'm not sure if they'll fucking be might be too fucking deep. I don't know though. Yeah. Might be too fucking deep. But there again, it does go in a bit. It does go in a bit, so as long as we can clear the circuit board from, we may do it. Well, these ones here, see, we want them at 8 ohm. See, they do it because they're nice and flat. We can get them in, but the problem is they're 8 ohms. 8 ohms. A pair of them would, one of them would do it if they were 16. Have a fucking further look down here. Three-inch, 2-inch. Now this is going to give me a bit more. 8 ohm, 6 watt, that's no good. Headrest speakers. Well, that one there looks interesting. That one there looks more like mine. The problem is they're 8 ohms. But they're fucking 16 quid or 14 quid. I don't want to pay that. But they're what I'm looking for. But they're on the impedance, 16 ohm speakers. Let's have a look at fucking see what Mauser's got. The only problem with this is you have to put, so it's panel mount. looking for. Oh, I'm not going through all that. You have to put the frequency and everything. You know, the frequency in hertz. You have to put all that fucking shit in it. Right, images. See, that's. I wonder if they'd do it. That's 3.5, 7 watt 16 ohm. I mean, I'll find something. What's that one? 2.5 x4. No good. And that's fucking 8 ohms. No good. 2.5. No good. I want 3.2. See, the problem, I'm going to have to bite the bullet, I think. I'm not paying 32 quid. But me. There's one there, elliptical speakers. It's 8 ohm. Oh. See, that'll be a big speaker, that. The fucking magnet looks bigger than my speaker. So there's no point fucking worrying about that one. Right. They're tweeters, they're no good. TV speakers that do. I'm gonna have to go for these guys. Well, how much are these? Buy it now, 6 quid. Postage, 7 quid. The fucking postage is dearer than the item. Where did they get off with that? I'm not going to order them because I just don't think they're right. And I've got fuck all. Would you believe it, guys? I've got absolutely fuck all with an oval speaker. Absolutely fuck all. With a miniature oval speaker. That speaker's too long. Let's have an old. Let's have a look here. See what Amazon I've got. Probably fuck all. No, nothing. I didn't think they would have. Useless. I've closed the wrong fucking thing now. We can find them, guys. They're just not finding the right ones. Just nothing, guys, in the form of an oval speaker that will do what I want it to do. I mean, there's plenty of fucking shit about, but nothing that I need. That's no good. That's no good. No good. No good. Let's do this. Copy that. Let's go to here. Put it in there. Put it in there. Let's click on search. Now we've got nuts and bolts. Really. Free home speaker, paper cone speaker. There's two there, but I've seen them. There's one, there's two there, but they're fucking, they'll fit with a fucking, they're only 8 ohms, that's no good. There's one there that's from America. Ohms. So most of them are 8 ohms, you say. 15 quid there for an ICT speaker. Where do people get their prices? There's an old bugger there. It'll be a good one, but no good for me, unfortunately. 30 quid for me. Well, wonder where they get the prices from. I mean, where do they get the prices? The only ones I can find are 16 quid, 16 ohms. So those two TV speakers, and I don't know whether they'll fit. And the price of the postage is more than the fucking cost. There's one there. 0.5 watt. But they're putting them in fucking centimetres, and I can't deal with that. I'm a foot and inches man. $129, 3-inch paper cone, 3 ohm paper cone speaker. £6. Oh, that's why they're six. That's why they're £7 from Lithuania. Yeah, I'll have to pay fucking duty on the bastards and all. I mean, they are brand new. That's why they're from Lithuania. Yeah. Go for UK only. That's why we're having trouble. UK only. See, these are what we want. $73 by 48. 73 by 48. I might end up having to just put one of them in it. Buy the bullet and buy the bastards. Where are they at? This is in the UK. Only one fucking one. Right, so 73x 48. Yeah. Right. 73. So that's 2.7 inch. So it's just under 3 inch. So it's 2.7 inch. Well, they're too small anyway. Have a look at them others. I might end up just having to buy them. What's the size of them? Does it say? There's some here. But they're 8 ohms. Fucking £3 something. Fucking something like that do me. If I could get them in 16 ohms. They're too small. Selling items, new and used. I knew fucking want one. They are in a box then. So does it say on the box what they fucking are? No. Why couldn't the Uniden have done what everyone else done? Put a fucking round speaker in it. Shit. Why couldn't they put a fucking round speaker in it? Three by 3.3 by 5. I could, but I'd have to modify it. And that's even in the US, so that's no good. What UK only? No good if it's in the UK. I've got nothing I can take one out of. These are all square. Fucking annoying it is. So if I do this, it'll come with loads of nuts and bolts. If I take out the two, we'll put in 3" fuck me, I'm not paying that. Fucking 120 quid, fuck me. 14. See, that's 2.6, that's too big. That's probably the nearest I'm going to find to it. That's probably the nearest I'm going to find. So, we'll add him to our watch list. He's 8 home, but I think if I put, an 8 ohm resistor in parallel as well, should take it to 16 ohms. So I might be able to get away with that. Might be able to use that one. But so far that's the first one we've seen I can use. Too big, it's too big. It's a TV speaker, but it's too big, too big, too big. So I'll tell you what we're going to do, guys. We're going to buy the 8 ohm one, and we're going to use, we'll change, we'll put a resistor across, and that should give us, either put a resistor in series or put it across. If we put it in series, it gives us double the, if we put it in series, it'll give us double the resistance. If we put it in, well, I'm not paying 14 quid. I'm not paying that kind of money for a bastard speaker. Yeah, 60 millimeter by 90 millimeter. Let's put that in. 60 millimeter. Let's put a 60 in. So let's put 90 in. .5. So let's go back to here. So it's going to be 90 millimeter across, and the lowest value is going to be up and down in it. But yeah, let's get it bought. Just check it's in the UK. Let's just check. Yeah, located in Wigan. 3 raw mail, 2nd class postage. Let's get the fucker ordered. We can work with that. get it bought. Complete purchase. Sorted. Let's come back to here. Sorry about that, guys, about the length of time taken to do that, but it had to be done. So what we'll do now, we'll come back. Right, so what we'll do, guys, we've ordered the speaker. No more we can do till we get that. On that anyway, we can service the radio though. I mean, the radio can be serviced. Just shove that there. Yeah, it's got to be about right. Yeah, if it's wrong, it's wrong. Okay. Right, but that's what I've ordered because that's what we've got. Right, so here we go, guys. We've taken the front off so we can work on it. What's the external speaker? But then again, you must be able to get away with it because... Right, let's get the external speaker we've got here. Because these... What's this one? These are generally... Oh, it's got a noise filter on that. Like that. But this is our speaker, this is our external speaker. But I think that's the only way we're going to do it, guys. So if we... There you go. Now we've got the external speaker in there. Right. Where's the plug? Right, we need the mic. Right, well, what we're going to do next, we're going to connect the mic on here. We're not going to touch the VCO because we don't know how it's done on here, but we will look at the frequency. And this is 12 volts, these I think. Let's turn it on. We're on channel 9. Channel 20. So it tells us what things do on here. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at our voltage going in. Let's have a look at our voltage coming off our power supply. Going in. There you go. Should be about 13.8 and it's 13.4, so that's not bad. So we're a little bit off, could be at 13.8, but as I said before, there's no adjustment. What you get is what you get. We don't know about the VCO, so we're not going to mess with that. Mic gain. So let's have a look at the transmitter. First of all, we'll check frequency. The frequency counter's been on all night, so we can look at the will that go on there? Let's key that. We need that there. 27204. Yeah, it's good enough. It's on frequency. So it's on frequency. What's that button? PA. Right. So what we'll do next, guys, we'll go through the transmitter if we can. Right, that's audio there and the regulation. Transmitter is here, and I think it's these here. Don't think any of these are to do with it. So we'll start with that one. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Anything down there? No. And I don't think these are transmitter. I think these are receiver. Yeah, they're receiver. They're on that, so let's can get any. Let's turn it down. That's got it to 4 watts. So let's see what I like on channel 40. Just under. Just a smidge over. Right, so we're just going through the power settings here, guys. I don't think these are here. Don't think they're for TX. No. We got our TX are here. That's okay. Good. That one's now £4. That's 4 watts. Bit out of balance that. Leave that one as it is. Let's have a look at this one. These don't seem to be doing what. Not doing much them guys. I don't think these are actually to do with transmit. No, they receive. They receive. These ones here. No. Well, that one is. Let's transmit VCO. Yeah. Let's transmit VCO. So we're actually just over. So we need that one there. That's turning it up to there. That's there. Alright. Trouble is, it's turned it up there on the meter. That's dead on 4 watts. And that's just over. So that's probably about right. So we're going to leave that where it is, and we'll oh, hang on, we've got this other one. Got this other one here. That might be for balancing the power. There we go. I've dropped the mic. Got it wrapped around the fucking soldering iron. Hang on a minute, guys. Got the fucking mic wrapped around the soldering iron. There you go. There we go. So that's just on the 9. And if I bring that one just there, it's about right that. Let's try that. 4 watts. And that's just under. So if we bring this is fucking weird the way it balances the power. There's 4 watts there. And that's just over. So we want to bring that one down a bit. just looking white and just heat this up again. It's gone rock hard. There you go. So let's see where we are now. We're just over 4 watts. And we're just on the 4 watt mark. That's 4 watts. We'll just take that back down here. That there. It's about there. That's about 4 watts. It's about 4 watts. Check channel 20. Watts. So that's set the meter. It should be done on 4. It pretty much is. So that's deviation. RF meter, which is that one. There you go. Have a look on our little power meter. See what our little power meter tells us. There's no low power on these guys. These are high power radios only. No low power on these. So you won't get any. And that's just disappeared, which we don't need it for now anyway. Now let's have a look. Got a decent transformer in it, hasn't it, guys? Transformer's pretty good. So what we'll do next, we'll see, we don't know how to set up the VCO, so we're not going to mess with it. .9 on channel 20, so we'll just turn out to 4. There we go. It's 4 watts on channel 20. .8 on channel. See if these make a difference. I might be able to see it better on there. No. No. So they must be to do with receive. So 3.9. On 40. 4.14 channel 1. So I'm pretty sure we'll get them a bit evenly spaced. Fucking hell, it's... Jesus. Wow. I don't want to move that one. It did before. That's not want to move that one, is it, guys? It fucking go. Let's try. Don't want to go that, guys. Let's try this. This might do it, I doubt it though. No, I don't want to move. Not jammed, it's just fucking full of grease. Well, full of fucking wax. That's what the problem is. And I don't want to damage it, so... Okay, now that was... Getting the fucking wax out of the bastards. Let's move this over here, I can't see it there. It's coming down. That's as hard as that's going to go. That's 4.1, 3.99. Let's see if we can get this one here. And the problem is we can't get that fucker to turn. Where's my fucking other twiddlers? Can't find my box of fucking adjusters. They're here somewhere. There they are. There they are. Oh, what she does to me. Thingy. That should do it. That's the right fucking length. Just can't get it to move. Just can't get it to move, guys. to turn. Oh shit. It was 3.7. Yeah, the problem is, guys, because of the fucking wax that's in here, you can't get the cunning thing out. There we go. Managed to get it to move that time. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to try and take this out all the way. There you go. Yeah, all the fucking way. There you go, guys. That's the problem, you see. That's the problem. All your fucking crap and grease, everything fucking built up in that. And put that in there. Right. And luckily we didn't break that. Just chipped it a little bit, we didn't break it. So now we can put that back in. So that needs to go back in. We'll never get the power back up if we don't. It came out. That's going in cross-threaded. That's no good. That's fucking cross-threaded, I know. See, it's getting it right because I think the coil's actually cross-threaded. Let's see if we can turn that in. What with that? We use a plastic one. Right, what I'm going to do is take that back out. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around that there. There we go. Pick the mic up, there we go. And I think that's about right. So what we'll do, we'll turn this with this. Yeah, that's right, that now. So now we can set this back up. So 3.3. just that one a bit of that one there set okay. This one here. All the fucking wax they put in them. See where we're up to now. 3.3, so we need to go down a bit. Tune that to 7. .92, 4.1. So right, that's 4 watts. 4.2, so we can no, it's not. They've got to be receive. Because they don't do anything. No. Right, we're on 401 there now. For 4.26. Right, so I don't think that them. Well, we're not overeating anyway. So select channel 20. And that one. Right, so now that's 4 watts there dead on. So that's 3.98 and 4.1. 3.99, that's about as best we're going to get. Let's set the power meter so that we're dead on. RF meter. dead on the 4 watts. Just over it on 40, and just under it on 1, sorry. Yeah, just over it on 1, just over on 40. So 3.99 and 4.1. That's as good as we're going to get the transmitter, guys. Right, so we're on frequency, we've got the transmitter done. Right, so what we'll do next, we'll do the receiver. So let's plug, let's turn the volume, let's plug get the stuff for the receiver. The detector's already plugged in. Unplug the extension speaker. Right. There we go. We'll bring the cyanide on in a minute. We'll just connect this to here. Yeah. We'll just set the frequency. 0, 2, 7, 2, 0, 5. Right guys, let's get the cyanide on. I just wanted to check them 3 things. There we go. So what we'll do now, we'll bring this down so we're not saturating the receiver. We went the wrong way. There we go. So make sure we don't saturate the receiver, and we want to we've gained a bit there. That was well out. I mean, I adjusted it, but I didn't adjust it that far out. That's it. Just check this other one. What's this next one? And these. What's there? Right. Let's find out which is the IF. I think that one might be the detector. So we'll set the detector now. We'll press that onto mode for the oscilloscope, and we'll adjust this for the detector. That's it. Right. Go all the way down. Well, we can't hear it all the way down, but we'll go through all these again and just double check. Let's bring it up a bit. That might be better. That's there. That's that. That's that. And these, get that out of the can, out of there we go. And I think, I'm not sure what these ones are. I think the filter. That doesn't do much, it could be transmitter even. That's about right. So RF gain all the way up. That's the tone. That's the RF gain. It's the squelch. Let's turn this up. We want to be on an S9, we're not far off it, guys. just a smidgen off his signal 9, so we need to adjust the S meter, which is this one. S9 exactly. Now the squelch. Squelch should open up. Let's turn this down a bit. Set squelch to threshold. Out there. We're a bit quick there. And it's coming in. 126 dBs, and it's coming in. -113 dBs. So yeah. I could do that a bit. And it never goes out. Oh, hang on. Now see what we're coming at. $107. 108. So 108 dBs it's coming in at the squelch. And that's, yeah, that's full squelch. That's right. That's as far as I'm concerned it is. RF gain comes right down on nothing. That's a strong RF gain. That's a strong RF gain, guys. Deviation will leave, FM deviation will leave. We've done that, we've done that, we've done that. We've done this one. Just double check this one. Got a bit more out of that. See, I can look at the detect. I can look at the oscilloscope as well. You see. So you can hear it at 32 dB, -32. you started to come back in at 15, minus 15, minus 115. Yeah, because you're not going to get any more out of that, guys. Yeah, that's as much as you're going to get. Yeah, I'm just looking at the signal meter now. Yeah. That's it. These two here must be VCO. And that's frequency. Frequency adjust. But I don't know how you do the VCO on this, guys. And that's channel 9. Now we'll go back up. Let's see if we can get any, see if we gained anything. Yeah, I can hear that at 15 still. There is another adjuster just in there. I don't know what that's for. Don't know what that's for. Well, it's in the receive circuit anyway. So the only thing we get really in the transmit circuit is them two. Don't get anything else. Try and see what they say there. Doesn't say. So really all we get on the transmitter that's working well now, guys. Yeah. See, we'll just straighten this scope wave up a bit because that looks a bit crook. That's it. Maximum recovered audio. Yeah, that's it guys. So that's the Uniden Pro 620 serviced. So we'll unplug the receiver. And now the transmitter had time to cool down. Plug him back in. We'll just plug the Marconi in. We get a good benchmark off that. Right. That's definitely unplugged. Yep. Turn that off. Let's unplug the external speaker. Just over 9, just over 4. Yeah, it's about right. It's about right, that guys. That's 1. Just over 4. 40. Just on the 4. I still think we could balance it a bit better though. I wonder if that fucking thing there does the power, so does transmitter. No. No, the only ones that do the transmitter are these two fuckers here. I would like to be able to balance it, but doesn't look as though we're going to be able to do it. Let's go just over the 4 there. And just on the 4 there. I wonder if that's for balancing it. No, that's too far down now. turn that. So if I was to bring that back up, it's not bad actually now. I just don't think there's any more. There's no adjustment. That's dead on 4 there. And just over the 4 there. So I don't think we can. There's nothing else in there, guys, that we can actually adjust. Yeah, that's onto that red thing there. Not to there. Let's plug our small one in, I can fucking see it better rather than stretching my neck. I can't believe there's only 2 adjustments for the transmitter. Can't believe they only give you 2 adjustments for the transmitter. You'd expect to have more than that. But we'll see what we get. Switch our meter on. Right. 3.6, 3.9. So 3.8, 3.9, 4 watts, 4.1 there. Now if I can adjust this one here. There we go. 3.9. So come back a bit. 4 watts there. 4.1. I think that's about the best we're going to get. Channel 24.4. And we're pretty much dead on the 4 watts back. We'll just adjust the RF meter to reflect that. That's 4 watts exactly. just under, according to the meter anyway, it's 4 watts, and it's just slightly over, so that's about right. Yeah, 4.15, 4 watts. You can't get it anymore. I mean, four point. Okay, now that's 3.9. What if I turn the other one? No. 3.98. Four watts there. 4.6 there. I think that's about as good as we're going to get. 4 there. 4.13 there. And channel 20. 4.03, we'll call it 4. That's good enough. Bring the RF meter back to 4. There you go. So 4 watts there. Just under there. That's 4 watts there. 4.17 there. Channel 20, 4.1. So it's about as best we're going to get it. There you go, guys. $4.05. I'm counting that as 4 watts. 4 watts, 4.17. Right, we've got a 4 at the beginning of each one. I'm happy with that. Right, well, there's not much more I can do. There's the mic gain. I can't test that because I've not got a radio at hand to test it because I can't do it with that receiver. Channel 9 button works. And we don't need to touch the frequency, but if we do, it's there, just in front of the crystal. These have got to be VCO here. They must be VCO. Because there's nothing else for the VCO, so these must be VCO. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. I'm going to put the front back on Power's always on all the time on this. The on-off switch only switches the 12 volts, 13.8, sorry, doesn't switch. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the front back on for now so it doesn't get damaged. I'm not going to screw it on, I'm just going to put it on. And where's the case? And we'll put the case on. Just put it on, I'm not going to screw it up, there's no point. And we'll just put that in like that. And right. Right, where's the fucking knobs and shit out of that? I don't want to lose the speaker either because I need to keep the lead. There's the knobs and shit. And that's only a tiny speaker, that, I mean. The fucking speaker I'm getting might be too fucking big. I mean, a fucking telly speaker would do, but I don't fucking have any. I did have. Used to have loads of shit. I mean, that speaker in there is too fucking big. There's probably one in here that will work somewhere, but all my fucking speakers are all in the shed now, CB radio stuff, it's all, none of it's in here. Because I had to make room for the 3D printer. Oh well, that can stay on the bench now until we finish it. Let's pull the plug out. That can stay on the bench now, guys, till we get it finished, till the speaker turns up. I hope the speaker I've ordered is fucking right. Got an itchy belly, guys. Right. I'm going to leave you to it, guys. I'll upload this so you've got something to watch tomorrow. So that's that's that one serviced. The Uniden Pro 620. That's that done. I'll catch you later, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and if you're up to it, buy me a coffee. If you're not, don't. Simple as that. Bye for now, guys. You all take it easy. Bye for now.